Today, I am continuing the same topic, the freedom movement. Children, in my previous video, I told you about the non-cooperation movement which was started in against the brutal incident of Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar. Now children, in today's class, first I will tell you about the Khilafat movement. The Khilafat movement began in 1990. This was a political movement organized by the Ali brothers, Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali. They were protesting against the injustice done to Turkey after the First World War. Turkey was important to the Indian Muslims as the Caliph or Sultan of Turkey was also the religious head of the Muslims throughout the world. The Khilafat leaders put pressure upon the British government to give better treatment to Turkey. Through this demand, Muslims were drawn into the national movement in large numbers. The movement became a part of the national movement. The Congress leaders joined in this movement and helped in organizing it throughout the country. Both the Khilafat and non-cooperation movements were non-violent protest movement against the British rule by the people. Students boycotted schools and colleges, and lawyers boycotted courts. Officially conferred titles and honors were given up. Indian-made goods were promoted. However, the Chauri Chaura incident on 5th February 1922 turned the peaceful Khilafat and non-cooperation movement into a violent one. The incident of Chauri Chaura occurred in Chauri Chaura, a small village in the Gorakhpur district of Uttar Pradesh on 5th February 1922. The large group of peasants participating in non-cooperation movement was fired upon by the police. In retaliation or against this, the people attacked and burnt the police station. The incident led to the death of 13 civilians and 23 policemen. This incident deeply hurt Mahatma Gandhi, who was strictly against violence, and he called off the movement. However, some freedom fighters did not agree with the non-violent ideology of Mahatma Gandhi and became popular as revolutionaries. These included Shahid Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Jatin Das, B.K. Dutt, Rajguru, Sukhdev, among others, who are remembered today for their heroic action against the British and willingness to lay down their lives for the motherland. Now children, I will tell you about the Simon Commission. In order to introduce changes in the Indian administration, the British appointed the Simon Commission in 1928 under the name of its chairman, Sir John Simon. The Simon Commission was a group of 7 MPs. However, all the members of the commission were Englishmen. That's why the Indians boycotted the Simon Commission. When the commission reached India, it was greeted by black flag demonstrations and protests under the slogan "Simon, go back." The British resorted to police attacks to suppress the boycott. The nationalist leader Lala Lajpat Rai was severely injured, and at one such protest movement at Lahore, which also led to his death later. So children, in today's class, I told you about the Khilafat movement, the Chauri Chaura incident and the Simon Commission. Now, in my next class, I will tell you about the civil disobedience movement and the Quit India movement. Thank you, children.